Let me show you how to solve this further mathematics question on the board. This is a simultaneous equation. We have 2 open bracket log x base 3 minus 1 close bracket equal to log x base 3, and we are told that this is equation 1. Also, we are given y equal to square root of x plus 1, and it's called equation 2. Now we are asked to find the value of x and y. If you want to solve this question correctly, first of all, you need to start with the equation that has only one single variable. For example, if you look at equation 1, you notice that equation 1 only contains x, while equation 2 contains y and x. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with the one that has only one single variable, which is this equation 1, because it has only x. You understand? So from this equation 1, we are going to find the value of x. After we have gotten the value of x from this equation 1, we are going to substitute that value of x into this equation 2 and then solve for the value of y. Are you getting me? So now how do we solve for the value of x from this equation 1? It's very easy. Let me show you what to do. Here's the solution. From this equation, we need to use this 2 here to open this bracket. We are going to use this 2 to multiply each of the terms inside this bracket. When we do that, we are going to have 2 times log x base 3 will give us 2 log x base 3. Then bring down this minus sign. 2 times this one will give us 2. Then equal to log x base 3. Now, the next thing to do is to collect like terms. We're going to collect like terms. The one that has log x base 3 will move to one side of the equation, while the one that doesn't have log x base 3 will go to the other side. Now, if you look at this, we have this one contains log x base 3. So we have to write it down, which is 2 log x base 3. This one has log x base 3 also, so we have to move it to this side. And when it crosses to this side, it changes to negative log x base 3. This 2 here doesn't have log x base 3, so it will move to the other side. And we are going to have, when it crosses to this side, changes to positive 2. Are you getting me? To change from negative 2 to positive 2. Now, we have 2 log x base 3 minus log x base 3. This number here doesn't have, this log doesn't have any number in front of it. So anytime you don't see a number in front of the log, it means the number is 1. So this is the same thing as saying 2 log x base 3 minus 1 log x base 3. And that will give us 1 log x base 3. Are you getting me? Just assume there is an invisible one here. 2 minus that one will give us 1. Then log x base 3. And 1 log x base 3 is something as just log x base 3. So have log x base 3. Then equal to this 2. The next thing to do is to get rid of this logarithm here. So how do you get rid of the logarithm? You can do that by switching the position of this x and this 2. This x will come to this side and this 2 will come to this other side. Are you getting me? So when we do that, we are going to have, when this 2 comes here, it will be on top of the 3, which will give us, let me do this, 3 raised to the power of 2. Then equal to, the x will come to this side. Have something like this. 3 raised to the power of 2 means 3 times 3 into 2 places, which will give us 9. Then equal to x. So because 9 is equal to x, it means that x is equal to 9. Now we have gotten the value of x. So what we are going to do now is we are going to substitute this value of x into this equation 2 and then evaluate it to get the value of y. Are you getting me? So we say substituting for x in equation 2. So equation 2 is y equal to square root of x. Square root of, in place of the x, we are going to put 9. Are you getting me? So I have 9 here, then plus 1. Now we have y equal to, square root of 9 means a number that can multiply its own self twice to get this 9. That number is 3. Why? Because 3 times 3 will give us 9. So the square root of 9 is 3, then plus 1. And that will give us 3 plus 1 will give us 4. So in conclusion, we can say that x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4. This is the answer to this question. If you find this video interesting, then say something in the comment section.